Ever pondered over the mysteries of common health issues that can be solved with your kitchen spices? Today, we delve into the remarkable world of two humble yet potent spices, cloves and black pepper. Cloves, these tiny spice gems packed with a punch, hold a treasure trove of health benefits. These aromatic flower buds are rich in antioxidants, helping your body combat oxidative damage. They contain a compound called eugenol, a natural antiseptic that can eliminate harmful bacteria, perfect for those oral health woes. Ever experienced a nagging toothache? Clove oil might just be your natural savior. A gentle application can numb the area, providing much-needed relief. Plus, they can also aid in digestion by stimulating the secretion of digestive enzymes. Then there's the king of spices, black pepper. Don't be fooled by its size. It's a powerhouse of health benefits. Piperine, the compound that gives black pepper its characteristic heat, can enhance the absorption of nutrients like selenium, curcumin, and beta-carotene, making your meals not only tastier, but also healthier. Black pepper also holds a strong footing in the arena of weight loss. It's known to help speed up metabolism and break down fat cells. Plus, it's a natural decongestant. A pinch of black pepper in your soup can help clear up that stuffy nose. Now, imagine combining the mighty powers of these two spices. It's like having your own personal health army in your kitchen. Cloves with their antioxidant, antibacterial, and pain-relieving properties, and black pepper with its nutrient absorption, weight loss, and decongestant attributes form a formidable duo. So the next time you see these tiny spices, remember they're not just for flavor. They're your allies in maintaining a healthier, more natural lifestyle. Harness the power of cloves and black pepper. Your body will thank you for it.